Hi everyone! So in this video, I am going to show you paano yung NFC set up sa ating system. So let me just explain. Ano nga ba yung NFC? NFC is what we call the near field communication, or some of you are more familiar with tinatawag nating RFID readers, right? Yung tinatap natin sa mga skyway, expressway, mga ganon, yung card na niloloadan natin. So dito naman sa system natin, kaya niya pong mag-NFC kung saan if yung device itself, meron na siyang prepared na NFC na reader, so that would be great. So this actually can be used during transactions ng mga customer mo rather than searching your customer. Pwedeng itap na lang nila yung card nila and then lalabas na po yung name nila. So this is another alternative for QR cards. This is also another alternative for barcode cards, which is yun yung NFC or near field communication cards. Okay? So for this one po, the first step is you tap the three-line icon para ma-activate natin siya. Tap nyo lang yung set NFC and the NFC state. Tap nyo lang yung on and then tap lang yung save. So automatically, it gets saved. So during transaction, pag sinasabi nating mag-order yung customer, say for example, and if you want to put the customer name, so example, ayan, hanapin muna natin yung customer. So, di ba, tinatype natin yung pangalan ng customer dito. If you have the NFC already or the card already, we just tap that card, automatically, lalabas po yung pangalan ng ating customer. So, that is another alternative aside sa QR scanning or sa barcode scanning ng mga cards natin.